Hi, this overview covers an expense tracker that can be purchased from oblsolutions.com. Upon purchase, you are emailed a download link, so you will need to know how to navigate to your downloads folder and how to unzip that folder. In a Windows environment as shown here, you can right-click, choose Extract All, click Browse to choose the destination of where you want to put the files, click on Select Folder, and you can finish off by choosing Extract. In my case, I will go ahead and cancel since I've already done all that. After you've unzipped the downloaded folder, you're presented with three files. These are all Excel file types of .xlsx. If you hover over each file, you'll see the type Microsoft Excel Worksheet. And if you right-click and choose Properties, you can see the extension .xlsx right here. Of the three files offered in this download purchase, you have the option of using the OBL Expense and Income Tracker combined in one Excel workbook, the OBL Income Tracker alone contained in an Excel workbook, or the OBL Expense Tracker alone also contained in its own Excel workbook. I'm going to open the file that has the OBL Expense and Income Tracker combined in one workbook. Double-clicking to open in Excel, I want to draw your attention to the worksheets that make up this workbook. The first one, Budget, contains columns for every month and presents a full year budget view. Similarly, the next worksheet tab, Income, that I'm going to click on to select, offers a full calendar year view of tracked income. Moving to the next two tabs, you'll notice there is an expense tracker and an income tracker worksheet for January. This pattern is repeated for each month of the calendar year. Closing this file and opening the remaining two files individually, you'll notice the same structure used in each workbook respective to their purpose.